Hello everyone, this is Abhinandan from RD Tata Technical Education Centre, Jamshedpur. So talking about my journey at NTTF, it's been an amazing journey. It's been a transformational journey for me because from being having just theoretical knowledge about every concept to NTTF giving an hands-on experience on the technology and the industry, it's been an amazing experience. I think NTTF has really changed my life in a very better way. After NTTF, I got placed in Fanuc India Private Limited, and then the journey uplifted a step further because there I got more exposure to the modern technologies and hands-on experience that will evolve my career in a very better way. And also, I think overall, I would say NTTF has totally transformed my life and made me a much brighter person, smarter person. And a message to all the guys who are now joining as freshers in NTTF, I think you just don't need to think much about it. You just need to focus on the norms and procedures that you are required to follow at NTTF, and definitely you will have a bright future. Thank you everyone.